Spoken English. बुड़ी मर. Die drowning. Die drowning. सीधा सीधा कहो. Be straightforward. Be straightforward. मो काम केवल तुमको कहबार थिला. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. से तुमर किए? Who is she to you? Who is she to you? फुसफुस कर कहनी. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. तुम्हें क्यों भली लोक? What type of person are you? What type of person are you? मो पाखरे गोटे टंका भी नहीं. I am quite penniless. I am quite penniless. सेबेठू मु ता सहित कथा होई नहीं. I have not talked to him since. I have not talked to him since. मोर खराब समय चली. I am going through a difficult time. I am going through a difficult time. मु आउ अपेक्षा कर परिबिनी. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. से केवल निज विषय भावे. She only thinks of herself. She only thinks of herself. मु केवल पचारुथली. I was just asking. I was just asking. जहा हेउछि हेबाकु दियो. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Whatever is happening, let it happen. जहा भी हेउ मु तुम साथी रे अछि. Come what may, I am with you. Come what may, I am with you. मोर अभियोग नहीं. I have no objection. I have no objection. मु एहा विषय जानि नथली. I didn't know about this. I didn't know about this. मु तुमर असुविधा बुझुछि. I understand your problem. I understand your problem. तुम्हें केबे फेरिल? When did you return? When did you return? मोते रगाओ नहीं. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. तुम्हें शेष थर केबे तांकु भेटिथिलो? When did you meet him last? When did you meet him last? मोते सकाळु जल्दी उठिबार अछि. I have to get up early in the morning. I have to get up early in the morning. तुम्हें केते दूर देखि पारो? How far can you see? How far can you see? तुम पाखकु किए छिड़ा होइछि? Who is standing next to you? Who is standing next to you? एहाकु किपरि करा जाए? How is this done? How is this done? सत बाहर को आसी जाइछि. The truth has come out. The truth has come out. मो कार खराब हो गला. My car broke down. My car broke down. ମୁଁ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଯାଇଥିଲି. I was surprised. I was surprised. କଥା ତାହା ନୁହେଁ. That's not the point. That's not the point. ମୋର କିଛି କରିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଉନି. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. Train ଆସିଯାଇଛି. The train has arrived. The train has arrived. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପ୍ରତି କୃତଜ୍ଞ. I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. ତୁମର ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେବା ଉଚିତ. You should take rest. You should take rest. ଏଠି କେହି ନଥିଲେ. No one was here. No one was here. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ. That's a good habit. That's a good habit. ମୁଁ ବାଇକ୍ରୁ ପଡ଼ିଗଲି. I fell off the bike. I fell off the bike. ମୋତେ ଏହା ଅସମ୍ଭବ ଲାଗିଲା. I found it impossible. I found it impossible. କିଛି ଖାସ୍ କଥା ଅଛି କି? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ସେଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିଯିବା. We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. ମୁଁ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି. I had forgotten about it. I had forgotten about it. କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ? How long will it take? How long will it take? ହୁଏତ ସେ ଏହା ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିବ. She may have forgotten this. She may have forgotten this. ମୋତେ ସଠିକ ଭାବେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ. I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. ମୋତେ ଏହା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I will have to do it. I will have to do it. ମୁଁ ମୋ ମନ ବଦଳେଇ ଦେଇଛି. I have changed my mind. I have changed my mind. ସେ ଏବେ ଆସିଛି. He has just come. He has just come. ତୁମେ କେବେ ଯାଏ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ? How long will you wait? How long will you wait? ମୋତେ ସବୁ ଜଣା. I know everything. I know everything. ଶେଷରେ ହୋଇଗଲା. Finally, it's done. Finally, it's done. ତୁମକୁ କେମିତି ଜଣା? How do you know? How do you know? ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର ଗୋଟେ ସୀମା ଥାଏ. There is limit to everything. There is limit to everything. ଏହା ମୋର ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା. It's my promise. It's my promise. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. Have a little more. Have a little more. ମୁଁ ଖୋଜି ନେବି. I will find it. I will find it. ମୁଁ କେବେ କହିଲି? When did I say? When did I say? बहुत ହୋଇଗଲା. This is too much. This is too much. ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କର. Do something about it. Do something about it. ସେ ଘରେ ନଥିଲା. He was not at home. He was not at home. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି ଡାକୁଛ? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.